This is a mixed-use development which we have designed as a composite structure in Gangtok with the support of Government of Sikkim, being a smart city project there. This was designed by architects Salient from Kolkata, and we were the structural consultants with my partner company in Bombay, GMR Consultants. The idea of making this as a composite structure was, this was being built in a hilly area where the logistics were extremely tough. This being in a zone 4 building, zone 4 earthquake zone, we had to keep the weight of the building also low. And since it is very difficult to move so much amount of material in a hilly area in such a small space, we made it in a composite structure. And the steel elements are fabricated in Kolkata, transported to Siliguri, and again from Siliguri onto the site, transported separately in smaller vehicles. The fabrication was done keeping in mind the roads and the turnings and every aspects, so that it can be moved to the site, and the erection. The most complex part was that there is a running road which could not be stopped there. So we had to take that also into consideration. Our all these points were taken into consideration while designing the structure. We'll run through these with all the slides. This was the foundation which was being made in the hills. The foundation was a mixture of piles as well as reconditioning of soil. And there was a rocky strata also which we encountered. So we went in for a raft foundation. And till date, the structure has been completely inaugurated. We had been tracking the performance of the foundation. We got a settlement of only 14 millimeter after the building was completed. This was the way the steel structure was built, and we erected through a tower crane. You can see a vertical girder. Another most important part is this is the first mixed-use development in composite structure where we have got 4 parking levels at the below. Then we have got 4 retail levels, and then 6 hotel levels at the top. But we have not used any floating columns in this structure. We have done some vertical girders, and it's the basic frame structure which we have used in this. This being a mixed-use development, considering the services and the architectural intent, this was a very challenging project, where you can see in the next slides, where we have tried to keep the intent of the architects as it is. You can see these bay windows we had constructed there as a cantilever. This is only cantilever which we have constructed. This is the plaza staircase, and you can see the plaza being made in steel structure and composite. This is the fireproofing done with vermiculite to give it a fire protection for 2 hours. To give the touch of Assam Sikkimese culture, we made this trellis and pergolas at the top in the form to depict the Sikkimese culture. This was made in steel, fabricated in Kolkata, and brought to the site in pieces, and then assembled on the site. The biggest challenge was, you can see this road, cars and the road passing through. This was connecting between the highway and the plaza, entrance straight into the plaza. So we could not stop the traffic, so all the fabrication, erection and everything was done during the night time. Below, in the third slide, you can see the decking sheet and all that. This is the connection between the road and the plaza. This is the final structure which we have built, and has been inaugurated by the Chief Minister last Sunday. Thank you. I will just show you a small video. This entire project has been completed in 2 years. It was completed in 2 years with total quality control, quality checks by Jadavpur University and IIT Guwahati, sir. Thank you, sir.